Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to design the bicycle frame in a SolidWorks. So for that, this is the final view of this bicycle frame. So we start with the making the 2D sketch of this bicycle frame. Okay, so these are the dimensions of the bicycle frame that we have to make. Okay, so start with the front plane. Click on the right click on the front plane, say sketch. So now take the center line, draw this 2D sketch. Okay, so before that, unit is in mm. Okay, so double click on this line, again take the center line and draw the another lines. Now give the dimensions, to this 2D sketch. It's 435 mm. Okay, this is 430 mm. This tube length is 580 mm. Now take the center line, draw it from this side to this. Okay, this line should be in horizontal. Say yes. Give the height from this to this. It's around 570, or sorry, 560. Yeah. Now give the select this point and this point and give this 60 and 65 mm. Okay, yeah. Now give the angle. This angle is 73 and this angle is 75. Okay, so our 2D sketch is completed. Now say exit. Now we have to add the plane on this point. Okay, so say yes. So we add this plane to make the front fork. So go to the circle, draw one circle here. Okay, okay. Again take the circle and draw the circle here. Give the dimension to this circle. It's 52.50 mm. Go to the feature, say extrude base box, and this is 130 mm. Okay, say yes. Okay, so now we are going to add another plane on this seat tube. Okay, so go to the sketch, again select the circle, draw the one circle here, assign the dimensions. So this is 35 mm. Go to the extrude base boss, it's 50 mm. Okay, so it's upper side, it's a 50 mm, the length of this tube. Now again add the plane, add this, select these two lines. Okay, so plane is get added. Now again draw the one circle here. Now give the dimensions to the circle, it's 51 mm. Go to the feature, extrude base boss, you can see. Okay, this extrude base boss is from this side, but we want in both side, left and right direction. So say the mid plane, and this length is 80 mm. Okay, so click on yes. Okay, so here we can see the front fork, seat tube, and this bottom bracket is ready. Now we are going to make. Okay, so first hide the planes. Okay, so now we are going to make the seat tube. For that, select this bottom side of this face of this tube and say sketch, and then draw a center point. Yeah, select again, draw this center point straight slot. Okay, but before that, say to normal, then it's easy to make it. Okay. Okay, so select this. Now give the dimensions. Okay, so these are the 20. Yeah. Okay, it will be reduced up to 18. Okay, now it's looking better. Now give to this is 10. Say yes. Okay, so edit this top plane. Okay, and normal, again add one this center point straight slot. Give the dimensions. It's 20, and this is 10. But okay, so this is 15. Okay, we can also increase slightly. Okay, it's 18 now. Yeah, so these both sketches are drawn. Okay, so now what we have to do, go to the features, say lofted base boss. Okay, so select uh, this sketch and this sketch. Okay, so this partial preview you can see here, say yes, and our seat tube is ready. Okay, so seat tube is ready. Now we are going to draw the top tube. So for that, what we have to do, go to the sketch. Okay, click on this face and say edit. Draw one line here. Say exit. Go to the feature. Add one reference plane. Okay, so before that, what we have to do? Okay, yeah. Add one plane here. Select these two. Say yes. Okay, increase this plane size. Okay, so say normal. Go to sketch and again take this center point straight slot and draw one center point. Yeah, select this and say horizontal. Say yes. Give the dimensions. It's 22.50. Say yes, and this is 10. Yeah, now it's look better. So this same sketch we have to draw here. Okay, so for that, say exit. Now again select this face of this tube. Draw one line here. Go to the features. Okay, first say exit. Go to the reference plane. Select one plane and this line. Okay, again increase this size of this plane. Say normal. Okay, so again go to sketch. Again take the center point straight slot. Draw one slot here. Okay, this should be horizontal. Give the dimensions. It's 20, and this should be 10. Okay, so you can see it's not properly aligned with this line. So click on this point, press Ctrl and select this line and say coincide. Okay, so now it properly aligned, and the distance from here to here to here is around 30. Okay, say yes. Now go to the features. Okay, first exit. Go to the features. Say lofted Okay, so before that, what we have to do, go to the sketch, say click on this plane, say yes, exit, and now click on this 3D sketch and edit. Now this 2D sketch is converted into 3D. So select this line. Okay, select this center point, and yeah, this point, and again this point. Okay, and it should be for the construction. Okay, this one should be for the construction, and this is solid. Go to the feature, lofted base box, click on this and this second sketch, and you can see the preview. Okay, okay, so it perfectly attached to this two sketch. Say yes, and our top tube is ready. So now we are going to make the down tube. So for that, go to this plane 4, say edit. Okay, and normal, go to sketch, select this center point. Okay, this should be horizontal. Okay, this is horizontal. Give the dimensions. Yeah, so okay, so just a minute guys. Say normal. Okay, so now give the dimensions. It's 22.50, and this should be 10. Say yes. Okay, and from this to this, the distance is 15, but not 10, it's I think 30. Yeah, it's 30. So you can see it's properly get aligned. Okay, so exit sketch. So these are done. So now same thing we have to do here. So go to the plane number 5, say edit, and draw the center point straight slot. Okay, so before that say normal, and then center point straight slot. Give the assign the dimensions. It's a 22.50, and these are 15. Say yes. Okay, so this is done. Now okay, so say exit. Now what we have to do, go to the sketch, say this okay, click on this plane. Okay, so say simply yes, not click anything else. Say exit, and again click on this 3D sketch and say edit. So what happened now, this 2D sketch is get converted into 3D. So go to this select this line. Okay, select this center line and select this line. Okay, now give the some angle, or give some curve, not angle, give some curve to this line. Okay, so this is perfect. Okay, so we are giving this curve because in a existing cycle also there is a curve. Okay, so it's perfectly given. So say exit, go to the feature, say lofted base box, click on this sketch and select this another sketch, and now go to the center line, click the center line. Okay, select the center line and say yes. Okay, it's showing some error. We again do this. Go to the lofted base boss, click on this one. Okay, this point, and yeah, and this point. Okay, now it visible. Go to the center line parameters, select the center line. Okay, or this curve. Now it taken the shape of this guide curve. Say yes. So our bottom tube is ready. So now we are going to make the uh, sit stay. So for that, yeah, so for that, click on the plane 5, say edit. Okay, draw one line here. Okay, before that, say normal, because it due to this it properly visible. So this line is drawn properly, so you can see it's horizontal. Yeah, it's horizontal. Now what we have to do, say exit, go to the reference plane, add one plane here, select this and this. Okay, so plane is get added. Okay, so increase the size of this plane. Okay, it done. Now edit this plane, go to the spline. Okay, so before that, go to this, select the center line, draw one line here. Okay, again go to the center line, draw another line. You can see this line is not properly drawn, so delete this and again draw another one. Okay, so this line is properly vertical, these both lines are vertical. Okay, so now give the dimensions to these both lines. It's 80 mm and this again 80 mm. Say yes. Okay, okay, so go to the select the spline. Okay, select this point and this point. Say yes. Okay, so now click on this line, you see this one. So so say this horizontal, click yes. Okay, and this one. Okay, this should be vertical. Say yes. Click on the dimensions, say it 164.46. Okay, and this should be 1160. Say yes. Okay, so it drawn properly. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to draw ellipse here. So say exit and go to reference plane, add one plane here, select this one. Okay, so the plane is added. Okay, so the plane is added. Go to the sketch, select the ellipse, draw one ellipse here. So this ellipse should be properly vertical. Assign the dimensions from this to this. It's 22. Okay, say yes, and this distance should be uh yeah, 15. Okay, so we have to increase this distance 25. Okay, now it's looking better, or we can decrease this one 10, but it very less. So okay, so set 12 and this should be 22. Okay, now it's looking better. Okay, so now go to the feature, go to the reference plane, select plane, and select this point and this point. So the again the another one plane is drawn. Go to the, okay, so say normal. Okay, so go to the sketch. Okay, draw one circle here, give the dimensions to this circle. It's 20. Okay, so go to the feature, say exit. You can see this one and this one is ready. So go to the lifted base box, select this one and this one. Okay, I think it's not properly selected. Again we have to do, select this plane and this one. Okay, so this partial preview is shown here. Go to the center line, okay, and select this center line, then it will take the shape of the center line. Say yes. Okay, so this right hand side is done. For now, select the front plane and go to the mirror. Okay, select the front plane and go to the mirror, and then select this one. You can see this yellow mark shows the right hand side. Okay, the right hand side change sit stay. Say yes. Okay, so the both sides sit stay are done. So now we are going to made this this chain stay. Okay, so for that, go to this go to this plane. Yeah, go to this plane 5. Okay, draw one line here. It's only for the to add the plane. Okay, so this line is not drawn properly, so again we have to do, we are going to draw the one construction line. This line is properly horizontal, you can see. And now say exit and add the one plane. Select this line and select this line. Okay, so again we have to select, go to the plane, select this line and select this line. Say yes. Okay, increase the size of this plane. Okay, say normal. Okay, so what we have to do now, go to the sketch, select this spline, select this point, and okay, so here this line is not shown, so we have to draw lines here again. Go to the center line, draw this line, so it properly vertical. Okay, and give the dimensions, it's 80 mm. Yeah, now it's perfect. Okay, so now go to the select the spline, select this one and this one. Okay, so say this one horizontal, say yes, and simply give some angle. Okay, so this looks better. Yeah, you can see this side is ready. Okay, but we have to reduce it little bit. Normal. Okay, so it perfect. Okay, so now add one plane here. Go to the feature, first say exit, reference plane. Okay, select this, say yes, go to the sketch, draw one ellipse. So this point and press Ctrl and this point should be coincide, so it properly vertical now. This point, say delete. So this yeah, this point and this line is coincide. Okay, okay, so you can see these are coincide with each other. So now give the dimensions, select this point and this point. It's Yeah, 22, and the distance between this and this is 15, not 15, it's 10, but it's very small. Okay, but yeah, it's looking better, or we can give it 12. Okay, so say exit. So now add the one more reference plane. For that, yeah, select this one and this line. Okay, so plane is added perfectly. So now go to the sketch, select the circle, draw one circle here. Okay, so you can see the circle is drawn perfectly. Say normal. Okay, so this circle is not fixed. Okay, so now this circle is fixed. Okay, so give the dimensions. It's a 20 mm circle. Say yes. Say exit. Okay, so now go to the feature. Click on lofted boss base. Select this sketch and this sketch, and select, just a minute. Okay, so click on the center line and select this line and say yes. So this tube is this chain stays properly fixed. Okay, so now the this side is remaining. So go to the front plane and then go to the mirror, select this one, so, and say yes. Okay, so the both side chain stay are ready. So add another one. Okay, so now we are going to make the rear dropout. For that, click on this plane. Okay, say edit sketch, click on line and draw the line here from this to this line are be drawn because of we have to add the plane. So go to the feature, go to the reference plane, add one plane, click on this point and also this line. So our plane is get added. Now go to the sketch, select the circle. Okay, so now draw one circle and give the dimensions to this circle. It's 20 mm. Go to the feature, extrude base boss. Okay, it's only on a one side. Click on the mid plane because now it's on a both side. Say the 22 mm. Yeah, now it's look better. Okay, so this side is drawn. So now go to the front plane again, go to the mirror, select this one and this is, and say yes. Okay, so both side is ready. Okay, so now our bicycle frame is almost ready. If you want to give the fillet, you can give the fillet. Okay, it's looks better if you give the fillet to the bicycle frame. Okay, so you can see the fillet is given here. So accordingly you can give the fillet to the other components or the other parts of this frame. Okay, so now you can see we given the fillet to the front fork, we given the fillet at the chainstay, at the near to these joints, and at the bottom bracket and rear dropout. So now the last step and the most important step is shell. Okay, so go to the shell, click select all the faces of the cylinders. Okay, this one, this one. At the rear dropout also select all the faces to give the shell. Okay, so all the faces are selected. Now the thickness is 2.5. Okay, and say yes. It will take time to apply the shell. Okay, so the shell is applied. Okay, so you can see the shell is properly applied here, also at the seat tube, at the bottom bracket. Okay, and at the rear dropout. Okay, so you can also give this fillet here, it's remaining. Okay, so you can increase it. Okay, so give 5. Okay, it looks better now. Okay, so after giving the fillet, our bicycle frame is ready. Okay, so you can give the color to this frame. Right click on this bicycle frame surface and select the body type, and give at the appearance there's a so much colors, you give whatever you wanted. Okay, so our bicycle frame is ready. Okay, so we make the bicycle frame here. It's ready. This is the look of the bicycle frame, the final view after applying the color. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe, and also tell us uh, which video you wanted the next. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.